Mga salitang magalang.
Polite words.
Po at opo, ginagamit kapag ang kausap ay nakatatanda.
Used when talking to someone older. This includes your mom and dad, grandparents, teachers, and school helpers.
Po.
Used to add respect to a statement or a question.
Opo.
Used to say yes politely. So when your mom asks you, "Have you eaten?"
Kumain ka na ba?
If yes, you say.
Opo, nanay.
If not, you say.
Hindi pa po. Salamat.
Thank you.
Ginagamit kapag may ginawang mabuti sa iyo ang ibang tao.
Used when someone does something kind or helpful for you. So when you receive a gift, you say,
Salamat po sa regalo. Walang anuman.
"You're welcome."
Ginagamit bilang tugon sa salamat.
Used to reply to thank you. So when you say thank you for the food, mom,
Salamat sa pagkain, nanay.
your mom will say,
Walang anuman, anak. Pasensya na.
"I'm sorry." Used when you want to apologize. So if you spill juice on your sister by accident, you say,
Pasensya na. Hindi ko sinasadya. Mga salitang magalang.